Getting a clean, professional press on a t-shirt is impossible with a standard iron. You end up with peeling vinyl and wasted money. There are hundreds of heat presses out there, so I actually bought and tested the top 5 most popular models, from tiny handhelds to industrial beasts, to see which one won't burn your house down and actually sticks the design for good. Product number 1, Royal Press 15x15. This thing is a tank. When I pulled the Royal Press out of the box, I noticed immediately how heavy and industrial it feels. It's not winning any beauty contests, but the cast aluminum heating plate gets seriously hot. I tested it on a few cotton tees, and the triple function controller was actually pretty easy to set once I figured it out. It holds temperature really well, so I didn't get those cold spots that ruin sublimation prints. Since it's a clamshell, you do have to use some muscle to close it tight, but that pressure is exactly what you need for a durable print. It goes up to 480 degrees, which is plenty for almost any material. If you want a workhorse that feels like it belongs in a factory and can handle back-to-back jobs, this is the one you want. Product number 2, Cricut Easy Press Mini. Moving to the complete opposite end of the spectrum, I grabbed the Cricut Easy Press Mini. It literally fits in the palm of my hand. At first, I thought it was just a toy, but when I tried to press a logo onto a canvas sneaker, I realized why this exists. A big press can't reach those awkward curves, but this little iron gets right in there. The precision tip is great for pressing seams or working around buttons. It only has 3 heat settings, which is limited, but for small projects like hats or stuffed animals, it's perfect. It heats up fast and the ceramic coating glides smoothly. If you already have a big machine but get frustrated trying to press tiny details or odd-shaped items, you absolutely need this little guy in your toolkit. Product number 3, HTVRONT Auto Heat Press White. Now, if you hate manually wrestling with a heavy clamp, you have to see the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press. This looks more like a fancy kitchen appliance than a tool. My favorite part was the drawer design. You pull it out, load your shirt, and push it in. You hit one button, and the machine automatically lowers and adjusts the pressure based on how thick your item is. I tested it with a thick hoodie and a thin tote bag back-to-back, and it handled both without me touching a knob. It heats up incredibly fast, reaching 320 degrees in about 4 minutes. It also auto-releases when the timer is done, so you don't burn your shirts if you get distracted. If you are running a small business and want to save your back from the physical labor of clamping, this automated machine is worth every penny. Product number 4, Fancier Studio Digital Heat Press. Then I went back to basics with the Fancier Studio 15x15. This is the classic blue and black press you see everywhere. It feels a bit rougher around the edges compared to the HTVRONT, but it gets the job done. The silicone pad is glued down, which keeps things stable, though I wish it was easier to swap out. I cranked it up to 400 degrees for some rhinestone work, and it handled the high heat without fluctuating. It's strictly manual, so you have to adjust the pressure knob yourself, but once it's dialed in, it's very consistent. It's a standard clamshell, so watch your knuckles near the heat plate. If you are just starting out and have a tight budget but need a full-sized 15x15 platen, this is the reliable entry-level option that won't break the bank. Product number 5, HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Light Blue. Finally, I looked at the light blue version of the HTVRONT Auto Press. While it functions just like the white one, I wanted to highlight the safety features I noticed during my second round of testing. The exterior stays cool to the touch even when it's blazing hot inside, which is a huge relief if you have kids or pets running around your workspace. I use the auto mode where it just does the work and releases automatically. It literally lets you walk away and grab a coffee without worrying. It fits perfectly in a craft room that has a specific aesthetic, and the drawer slide keeps your hands far away from the heat source. If you want that premium automated experience but want a pop of color to match your studio vibe, this is a fantastic choice. Whether you need an industrial tank, a tiny detailer, or a fully automated robot, one of these will definitely level up your custom gear. I've dropped links to all 5 models in the description below so you can check the current prices and see which one fits your shop. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.